What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fresh Zapatos coming at you live from the M340. Your boy is tired, bro. I got back home last night at like 4 something, and we got another long one today. It's the second day that I'm filming with the new camera, so hopefully everything is working out. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, man. Can't complain. The only thing I'm gonna complain about right now is my goddamn wisdom teeth, bro. I'm popping ibuprofen all week. Like, I have excruciating pain for my wisdom teeth, which is 100% my fault. I'm just a little bitch, alright? Like, I was supposed to get them pulled out when I was like 25 years old. That was goddamn 7 years ago. And I made the appointment. Literally, like, I had the appointment and I was a no-show, bro. It's kind of like a phobia for me because they're obviously impacted and they need to be pulled out, all 4 of them. So I'm just like dreading it, bro. I called today, I made a consultation. Yeah, getting my wisdom teeth removed. Fresh Kicks is a little bitch, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Like, really what did it for me, I went on YouTube and I watched how they extract your wisdom teeth, and I was like, oh hell nah, I'm good. Like, nah, I'm good. I'll leave bitches in there. And I'm like, why did this have to happen right before my birthday week? Like, I literally leave tonight. So yeah, I should have never watched that video. If I didn't watch that video, I probably would have went. And I need all 4 removed, and there's no way in hell that I'm gonna be awake for that shit. So obviously I'm gonna have to go under anesthesia. And like, I'm even kind of like scared to do that. Like, damn bro, you basically killing me for a little bit. I'm about to go to heaven for like 2 hours. So yeah guys, to make me feel better, leave your wisdom tooth extraction experiences below in the comments. Let me know if it was horrible or if it just wasn't no biggie. I feel like different people are gonna have different experiences based on, you know, how bad their wisdom teeth are, or the dentist they went to, if they were awake, if they were just put to sleep. Like, I guess that all kind of plays factors. But yeah, for those that were under anesthesia, I guess let me know how it was. As soon as I come back from vacation, I got my consultation, and I guess we're gonna schedule an appointment date after that, and we'll see, man. We'll see how it goes. Sorry guys, I just wanted to rant about that and get maybe some of your guys' experiences. Maybe it'll make me feel a little bit better. But enough of that talk. I'm currently headed over to pick up the new wrap for the S2000. I'm excited. Should be done by the time I come back, and can't wait, man. Can't wait to show you guys. Alright guys, we are here at the Nozzletech. Damn, we got the little E30 on the R888 side, my boy. Oh, clean air vehicle, say less. Got the roll. We're about to head out this joint. Drop some comments below. What do you guys think the color is gonna be? I don't know why so many people thought I was doing this car yellow. I have no idea why, but it's not gonna be yellow, guys. I'm sorry to bust your bubble. Fresh Kicks is never gonna have a yellow car. God damn, bro, I'm so damn tired. It's just crazy. Now, I didn't even show you guys this fresh cut. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but cut be buzzing. All right, guys. Here is the color. Black. That's what we doing. There it is, man. It's a good old S2000. So, yeah, man, this thing should look brand new after the wrap. And the body's pretty straight, so there's not gonna be that many flaws. The only thing I know is gonna bother the shit out of me is the fenders. Clearly this is gonna show. There's not much we could do. I sent it to my boy and he was like, honestly, like, if I try to fix it, it probably is just gonna come out worse because it's pretty bad already. And then this one has like a little bit of Bondo. So if we do mess with this one will probably just like fall apart. So yeah, unfortunately, yeah, that's probably gonna be the only flaw that I'm gonna see under the wrap, and I know it's gonna irritate the shit out of me. So I don't know, it's gonna be a tough decision going aftermarket fenders or just getting like some OEM ones. I guess it just depends how good of a deal I get on some OEM ones. But then at the same time, there's no point to go OEM if I stay with the same like tire setup, because it's most likely gonna happen again. So it's probably best I just go like 25 or 30 mil over, just do the wider fenders. Obviously it's gonna look a lot better anyways. I don't know. So maybe instead of doing exhaust, I might just do fenders, but I don't know. I'm trying to just do one thing at a time. I got so much other shit to pay for, and I got bills, man. So I can't go crazy on this car yet. I'm gonna stuff this wrap in there, see if we can get this thing in there. This little ass car. And yeah, I'm gonna head over to my boys and drop this thing off. Gonna leave the M340 here. See you in like a week. Later. Coming at you live from the 2K. Man, I'm so tired, bro. Look at that, guys. Smooth sailing. Remember how loud that shit was before? Alright, guys, get a good look at the S2 Kizzle. Silver's cool. I mean, the car looks nice as is, but trust me, the new color is going to be sick. It's actually inside of there, but you can't see it. Yeah, it's gonna look nice, man. I'm super stoked for the color. I got my guys over here at Wrapped Legacy. Oh, what happens to other people? I'm still cool with them. Those are still my people, but they're just super booked right now. My guy Luis over here was able to lock me in a spot super quick, so I didn't have to wait. So there's no beef, no drama, nothing like that. They were just able to get me in a lot sooner than my guys. They weren't able to get me in probably for like another month or two. And you know me, pretty impatient. I like shit done like quick. So my people over here at Wrapped Legacy were able to get me in super quick. So yeah, we will see the final product when it's done. Pretty sure you guys are gonna love it. Let's get a nice look at how she's looking. I'm also gonna be getting my headlights redone. My boy's gonna come pick them up for me and he's gonna redo them. We're gonna be blacking out the entire inside. I think we're gonna be doing an amber delete as well. So headlights should look a lot better. Just overall, the car should look super, super clean. So yeah, probably just gonna end the video here, guys. I have nothing else to film today. My ass needs to pack, get ready. I got a very long night. So probably just gonna end the video here. Like always, man, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, throw some comments below. Let me know what color you guys think I'm wrapping the S2K. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.